All right, see, 1 o'clock, and they are taking away the all the bins. I was gonna say carts.
It's cool how they did it.
Just trying to get them all through the doorway down there.
Sneaking in. Hey, Shirley. So we got here too late for all of it. Is there still some?
VIP access.
Sorry. So they are bringing some out now. So we got to see them go out of the store. Now we're going to get to see them coming in.
She's coming this way.
This is great. We'll stay out of her way.
Yeah.
While she's bringing them in.
That's Jazzy. Hi,
Hi,
Jazzy.
hi, Debbie.
She's adorable.
Everybody here is adorable.
Yeah.
You guys only hire adorable people. There's Sarah down there. Hi, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah.
What's your name? Oh, he always does that, but I just keep on bugging him anyway. In Missouri, our bins are not rotated. There's 169 to 225 tables on the floor at one time. So it seems so weird in here without people, but they still have quite a few coming in. So let's get over here out of the way because they're going to be bringing them in and they're going to be putting all these in. Here they come. So interesting. Sarah.
Yeah.
Hi, Sarah. Say hi to the camera. She's so cute. I love you guys. So sweet. Hello, this one's going up there.
She's doing along the wall.
I wonder how many is actually here right now. How many bins are going to be on the floor right now?
168.
168. So when you people question, well, don't you get bored going through the same bins? Because we like it when they switch them out. No, go through that many of them and tell us if you're bored, because you're not. I'm always worried that I didn't check everything before I leave.
Yeah.
And we're in here for at least 2 hours when we're here.
Absolutely.
Always. So.
And that's the reason why we're closed from 1 to 3. We take 30 minutes to go have a meal, and then we come back and we spend the rest of the time loading everything up on the floor. It does take a little time.
Yeah, we let them go eat, you know.
Yeah.
30 minutes, you're in a freaking hurry.
No doubt.
It's usually just snacks.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, you wouldn't be go to
I snack all day.
the Twisted Tavern because they took
Yeah,
too long.
no,
I just I eat when I go home. I just snack.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. From back here.
The Missouri bins open at 10 a.m. and they close at 1 o'clock. They reopen again at 3 and close at 6. And between the 1 o'clock and the 3 o'clock of opening hours, that's when they refurbish all of the bins. And because they get visited from people who run bins in other states often to see how this is ran, you may be seeing this in your near future. If they have 168 bins on the floor, and they pull all of those when they close for 2 hours and reopen at 3 and bring out another 168 full, then that's a total of 336 bins in a 6-hour period. So do the math at your store, depending on how your bins works and how often it brings out the bins and how many you have on the floor to start out with. Does it come out to that many a day, or at least in that 6-hour period? If not, then if this is your future, well, then it's a good future. But we'll get to at least watch them bring them out. Man, it's amazing how they just pop these suckers out here. How heavy is that, Sarah?
Pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy.
The books are the worst. Yeah.
Oh, I bet. I don't even like to carry the bag out to the car, so the glassware.
Yeah.
This is like fresh merchandise too, like untouched by shoppers' hands the second time around or third time around or fourth, whatever time around it is. Anyway, for here, it'll be the first time anyone touches any of this stuff. Let's put it that way. Look how she does this, though, man. Girl, do you lift weights to do this? Because
You want to see where they're coming from now?
yes,
They see it coming out.
these girls are amazing, popping this stuff out of here like it's little simple, easy things. Look at how much stuff, man. It is loaded down with merchandise, ready to go out.
These we'll be working on this afternoon
Okay.
to get these ready for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because you guys are open every day of the week,
7
right?
days a week.
They never close up,
Absolutely.
unlike the regular Goodwill stores. Look at this. Hey, ladies. Oh,
Putting them on camera. They don't want to be on camera. I put them on camera. They look all good. They all good. Look good.
So they're loading the machine.
Oh, cool.
They're tipping it over into
Look at
the
that.
tables and roll them out on the floor.
I know.
So
I
it's
think
a
this
nice
is
little
amazing. So are these different than the ones that were here? We were here before.
yes.
Okay, because we seen the big ones that are working right now, and those are all clothes over there.
Yes,
that they're working right now.
that's everything that came off the floor. The clothes are
Okay,
filled.
and now, that's what this one does. That's right, it bails them all. So that's what you guys should have bought when you had the chance.
Yeah, that's
but
it.
now it's too late.
It's too late. Can't
That's
do
right.
it.
But this is the stuff that's coming in.
It's all new stuff.
These are the smaller ones. These are kind of cute because they're little. Little things are cuter.
He's dumping one now.
Oh, I gotta watch. Closer?
Yeah.
Cool. This is how it works, people. Stay back out everybody's way. I'm moving. I love to watch this stuff work. Look at this. There it goes. You know, we have no idea what's in here. It can be your favorite clothes you'll ever find. Can I go throw that back in there for him? I'm gonna do it. Look at him go to work.
They work really hard.
Yeah, they do. Anybody that thinks it's easy, they need to come in here and work for a while.
For 10 hours.
For 10 hours.
Yeah, 10 hours.
Oh, man.
You know, clothes are heavy, piled up. They're heavy. They may not be as heavy as books and glass, but they're heavy. So this is amazing. People are working. I love it. I love seeing what happens to this stuff as it comes in. We've showed you guys what happens to it when it goes out, but we have not showed you like this really what it's like when it comes in. So this is the stuff that's coming in fresh on the floor before anybody else gets to look at it. So here in a little bit they'll open up the door, let the crowd come in, and they will go through these, find some clothes that they love or to resell or to give as gifts. It's great. Man, these things are full and they're heavy. And here this one goes out on the floor. 2 of them on the floor. It's great. But as you can see, some of it falls on the floor, so be sure you wash it whenever you get it. You know, it happens. We're going to follow these all the way from here to the floor. Here we come. Some more is coming down right now. Staying out of the way. This is great. So I'm going to follow them right onto the floor here. And this is how it happens. I'm following. Yep. So we've seen them the other way around. Now we're going to see it in this direction. I love how they just pass these off and go on. Nobody says anything. They know what they need to do and they get it done. Very impressive. You guys do have a great team here. There's no doubt about that. But it starts at the top. So when you have somebody good in charge, then the people that work for them is going to be good people too. Because that's right. And that's what the big difference is. Like her checking us out earlier.
I push tables just as well.
Yep. That's what makes a good boss.
Exactly.
That's why we all love her.
You got to be willing to do the same work.
Yeah, you do. You should. Yeah, that's a good point. That's what we got to do is keep moving. And there it is. This is going to start the first row of the clothes. This is great.
So that's done with clothes, with wares, with books, and with shoes.
Everything.
That's our process.
Now, glassware will work different
Glassware is
because you don't want to get hurt.
Absolutely.
That's right.
And we have to go through it to take out anything that's broken.
So how do you guys do it exactly at the end? Whenever you close at 1, do you go through and try to get out anything broken? And then how do you add it in the glassware back into it? You do it by hand?
We're not able to add back in.
Okay.
We'd rather not. We'd rather start with a fresh table.
Okay.
So sometimes we have some prepped and ready to go. Today is one of those days, not so much.
Yeah, I understand.
A little short after the holiday, but yeah, all those were fresh and new this morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but a lot of times you'll just pull the whole thing out and bring a whole new one in.
Absolutely.
And
Yes.
we can definitely tell that happens a lot in here. So today, I know not to go into the glassware.
Yeah.
I'll go over there.
Absolutely.
Inside. That's inside information there. I'm going to use it. I know, I'm a cheater. Hey, like you ain't going to do the same thing. Yeah, that's right. All right. Go away. Go away. So,
You guys met Scott?
yeah, we've met him a couple times. We got him on video twice, actually, I
Yeah,
think.
he's super great.
So, oh yeah, I need to go bugging. Let's go bug Scott. Because last time his excuse was that I
My
couldn't.
boss, and he
Okay.
works as much as we
Now
are.
he's what's his position again? District?
He's a director.
Director, that's it. Okay. Yeah, last time his excuse was he was shopping.
He's a hard worker.
So today I'll just get him. I'll be like, oh, here, man. Oh,
Today he's fixing
look at he's fixing a card. And we seen one that had a shoestring stuck on it earlier, didn't we? Look at all the cards they got here, and they got the best cards here. Seriously, I love the cards they have here. They are the best. Hi, Scott.
Oh, hello.
You're not, yeah, I caught you, snuck up right up on you, didn't I? Yeah, can't use that excuse, I'm shopping with my daughter thing, I can't talk to you guys right
I
now.
am not shopping today.
Yeah, and I have no clue what to even say because I didn't expect him to be here. Look at the line of people out there waiting to get in here and just
Oh, you gotta
nail all this good merchandise.
Got to get the line as it come in with this new setup.
We'll video them as they come in.
Yeah.
That'll be great.
Absolutely.
So, anything you want to tell all the Goodwill bin shoppers addicted?
Come out to Bridgeton.
Come out to
Visit us.
Bridgeton. See, and I'm being told by a lot of the viewers to quit telling the name because you guys are getting busier because of us. That it's kind of we've helped bring more people in. I'm like, you know what? There's plenty of merchandise for us all.
It's been a
So-
lot of them, yeah.
This is a lot of people's
A
secret
lot of
spot,
them
but
come
I
in
think
and
it
say,
could
"Hey,
be more
we saw
people's
you."
secret spots.
I know we have had a few viewers that thought only the one in St. Louis was the only one out here, and they're
see
like,
a lot
"Are you
of
kidding me?
comments
There's
on
another one out here," and we're like, "Yeah, and it's close."
Oh, yeah.
A lot
They're
of
both
comments on the
good.
Facebook page say, "Oh, there's more than one in St. Louis." Yeah.
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 What time we got here? How close are we?
It's 3, a little after 3, just right at 3 o'clock.
Okay, so we're gonna go out. You guys open at 3, right? So we're gonna go ahead and go out and video people coming in. Is that okay?
Just come.
Now you guys aren't gonna open these doors till all the bins are out, right? So we're not holding anybody up. Okay.
We're gonna work and we're gonna open. We're gonna just continue to work.
Oh,
We're
okay.
gonna get it done.
Okay. Well, then I guess we better get out of the way and get out front and let people come in before they start getting angry out there. We don't want angry people.
You want to just stand to the side back here?
We could do that. So you want to get them from this direction and I'll get them from that direction? You think those, well, they, okay, good, because I don't want to be stomped to death or anything.
Just give them instructions and here we go. Release the hounds. They're like, we're starting a little late here, so everybody's ready to go. Hitting the books.
See, I'm being cool because I get to buy stuff after they all go in instead of before. Here we go. Well, hello, Shirley.
Hello, Linda. Welcome.
So good to see you. Hi, Scott.
How are
Here we go. All right, guys. Now this is when it gets serious. The stuff's on the floor, and I get to shop too. So let's do it. Let's hit it. What are we gonna find today? Oh, this is kind of cute. It's a little molded. I'll pass on it. See a basket over there? I'm gonna run over here and get it. I'm going against the crowd. Probably not such a good thing, huh? That's kind of cute. Lots of new goodies. I need a really ugly blanket. And they haven't got very many of them out yet, have they? Huh. I don't think they've got probably any blankets out yet. Is this a blanket? It's a sheet, but it'll do. Look at this. So it's unusual to see this part of the floor empty, but 169, I believe, is what she said they would be getting out on the floor. That's a lot. That is a whole lot. What have we got here? Oh, it's a snowman. He is kind of cute though. Lots and lots of super duper goodies. I hope Pat hurries. Okay, let's hit it. It's been a super fun day. Oh, look what I found. Okay, oh yeah, it's mine. It's all mine, guys. Isn't it great? Good finds for today. I'm so excited. A little riser there. That's cool. There's a cute little green basket that says Happy Holidays. Look at all. Oh, I don't even have my glove. Just thought of that. I hope Pat remembers the gloves. Here he is. We'll go see. Excuse me.